Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Virgo. Virgo people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Virgo, so first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings, alright? Seven of Pentacles. Nine of Cups. So this is your current energy, Virgo, and this is your partner's current energy. Virgo, it seems like you are being somebody who is not doing anything right now. Okay, perhaps you have taken a pause in your life and you are just looking back in your life and just uh, reliving your moments. Okay, you are just uh, rewinding your life, what you have earned, what you have done in life. Okay, how your relationship with your family evolved. Okay, how your relationship with your friends evolved, how you as a person has changed from this point to this point. Okay, what you have achieved, what are your failures, what are your achievements. Okay, so you have given a pause to yourself in life. You have given a time for yourself to heal and to cherish the old memories. Okay, you are not doing anything. You are someone who is always ready to take action, but at this point of time you are completely, it seems like you have surrendered in front of someone. Okay, you are not doing anything. You are just completely silent. You are just reliving your old memories, old time. All right, on the other hand, we have Nine of Cups. This is your partner's current energy, Virgo. It seems like your person is someone who has made up his mind or her mind that I don't want to go, or I don't want to see anybody. Okay, when it comes to relationship or when it comes to anything, they are someone, I feel that they have also uh, isolated themselves from everyone. Perhaps they are somebody who must be getting a lot of proposals, or lot of people are chasing them, but at this point of time they have also isolated themselves from everyone. Okay, so the way you have given the pause to your life, similarly your person has also given a pause into his life or her life. All right, perhaps sometimes you must be feeling sad and happy, but this person is completely calm, this person is completely compassionate, this person is completely even though they are passionate, but they are choosing to unfold things on its own. Okay, they are not doing anything right now. Okay, now let's see what is the current situation of this relationship. What is the current situation of this relationship? Compromise. Somebody is compromising on something. It seems like it's your person who is compromising right now, because see, you are someone who feels sad. Sometimes you must be feeling sad, sometimes you must be feeling happy. Okay, I told you that you are being somebody who is revisiting your life. Okay, from where you have started and where you are right now. So at at some point of time you must be feeling like cry, you must be feeling like that, oh my god, I did this blunder. Or you must be feeling like crying that I did this mistake. And sometimes you must be feeling proud on yourself that hey, I took this decision, that's why I'm here. All right, so you are into completely on another level. But it seems like this person is compromising for you, because this person has a lot of options. I told you, this person has a lot of options, lot of proposals in his or her life, but they are being completely devotee towards you, because they do not want anybody else into their life. And this compromise card is telling me that this person is compromising with all the other opportunities just because of you. All right, now let's see what they think about you, what they are doing currently, and what is going to be their future step towards you. All right, so I'm going to pull three cards for you to see what they think about you, what they are doing right now, and what are their future plans. Isolation, the miser, and nothingness. Okay. Virgo, your person feels about you with this card isolation, that I told you that you are somebody who has, who is completely cut with other world. Okay, you have cut all the connection with the outer world. You are just in going through your own life journey. Okay, one more time, you are just reliving it. So you are someone who has isolated yourself, okay, in a room, or in a room of your memory. Okay, you don't want anybody else to get into that thing. Okay, because that is something is that this period is something really really special to you, and you do not want anybody else to disturb you here. Okay, so yes, on the other hand, your person also see you as somebody who feels little lost in life, and they also feel that you need to be isolated for few minutes, or few hours, or for some time. Okay, now let's see what this person is doing right now. It seems like this person is completely into you. If I talk about from the relationship perspective, so I'm seeing that this person is completely into you, because they do not want to share what you are offering them. Okay, I told you that they are someone who has lot of options in their life. They must be getting a lot of proposals in life in terms of love and relationship, but they are being somebody who is completely devoted towards you. Okay, so all these treasures are you. They have, I mean, this person has hold you as a treasure. Okay, they don't want to lose you. All right, and when it comes, I mean, see, they have made a wall here, so they do not want anybody else to cross this. All right, and their one eye is on this side. That means this he or she is seeing who is coming towards them. Okay, perhaps, I mean, basically they are waiting for you, and the moment they feel that it's completely a new person, they immediately get into in his own shell. Okay, but they are just waiting for you to come out from this isolation period. The future is going to be very very bright, because divine is going to give you, or divine is offering you a new canvas to paint your life one more time. Okay, this person has lot of dreams with you. This person have lot of aspirations with you. This person would like, is genuinely want to invest in you. Okay, they genuinely wants to take a solid action towards you. And this nothingness card shows that this person has lot of capabilities, lot of plans in their own mind, that hey, if my Virgo will come back, I'll definitely going to do this for my Virgo, or that for my Virgo. So they are somebody who has some plans in his mind. All right, so Virgo, I feel that you are being, I mean, some of you are dealing with another earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, with this Seven of Pentacles. Okay, and with this isolation card, sorry, with this miser card. Okay, we have, and with this compromise card as well, we have water sign Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this Nine of Cups, and air sign Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this isolation card. Okay, so Virgo, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.